It's time for Play in the Park. Woo-hoo! Hi, I'm Jamie.
And I'm Dora. And this is Play in the Park and Albany Public Library here together to bring you another great Better Beginnings STEM story time. Are you ready? Yay! Yay! Okay, let's start off with a song. Let's do the weather one. Do you remember the weather song from last week? Let me get my little weather chart that I made using a paper plate. Okay, let's sing a song. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy out today? Let's have a look out the window. Is it sunny? Oh, it's not sunny at my house today. Is it raining? No, not raining. Is it windy?
No, not
really.
Not
windy today, but it is cloudy. It's very cloudy at my house today.
Fluffy clouds.
Are you ready for another song? This time, let's do one about a bear. Here we go. If you go down to the woods today, you're sure of a big surprise. If you go down in the woods today, you'd better go in disguise. For every bear that ever there was will gather there for certain, because today's the day the teddy bears have their picnic. Oh, what a fun song!
Picnic time for teddy bears. Oh, sorry, Dora.
Hey, let's do a story.
Oh, story! Yay!
Yay! We have got one called We're Going on a Bear Hunt.
But Dora, we wouldn't really hunt bears, would we?
No, bears are usually friendly, aren't they?
Oh,
Not sure, might have to research that one.
We want to be nice to the bears. Maybe we're not hunting them, maybe we're just trying to find one.
Are you ready? Here we go. This is We're Going on a Bear Hunt.
Are you ready, baby?
Oh, there's a lovely little beach scene.
You can help us with the story, baby. Would you like that? I think she would.
And you can help us with the story at home too, because there's lots of fun actions. Here we go. We're Going on a Bear Hunt, retold by Michael Rosen, and the pictures are illustrated by Helen Oxenberry. This edition is published by Aladdin Paperbacks, originally published by Walker Books. Here we go. Just pop my book over there. We're going on a bear hunt, we're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Uh-oh. Grass. Long, wavy grass. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. We'll have to go. Where do we have to go, Jamie?
Through it. Let's go through it.
Are you ready? Swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy. Whoa, made it. Well done.
Whew, good work, baby.
Okay, are you ready for another go? We're going on a bear hunt, we're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared.
Oh, maybe just a little bit.
Uh-oh, a river. A deep, cold river. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Where are we going, Jamie?
Let's go through it.
Through it?
Come on, baby.
Splish, splash, splish, splash, splish, Splash! Oh, I don't know about you, but I certainly got a little bit splishy splashy wet then. Okay, off we go again.
What's next?
We're going on a bear hunt, we're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared.
Maybe just a little bit.
Uh-oh. Mud. Thick, oozy mud. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Where are we going?
We're gonna go through it.
Oh,
You
through
can do
the
it, baby.
mud. Oh, everyone's got their shoes off for this one. Squelch, squirch, squelch, squirch, squelch, squelch. Woo! Made it through the mud.
Oh, what? Mud off? Yuck.
Are you ready to go hunting again? We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Oh, a forest. A big, dark forest. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Where are we going?
We gotta go through it.
We've got to go through it. Are you ready? Stumble, trip. Uh-oh. Stumble, trip. Stumble, trip. Stumble, trip. Oh, made it through the forest. Well done, everyone.
Whew, good work, baby.
Off we go again. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Oh no. A snowstorm. A swirling, wailing snowstorm. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh, where do we go, Jamie?
We've gotta go through it.
We've got to go through it. Are you ready, everyone? Make a big snowstorm sound. Ooh, we made it. Well done. Okay, off we go again. Ready? We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Oh no. A cave. A narrow, gloomy cave. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Where do we go?
Let's go through it.
Through the cave. Are you ready, everyone? You have to be really quiet. Tip-toe, 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 tip-toe. What's that? One shiny wet nose, two big furry ears, two big goggly eyes. What is it? Yeah, it's a bear!
Rah, rah, rah.
Oh no! Quick, everyone! Back through the cave! Tiptoe, 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 tiptoe. Back through the snowstorm! Back through the forest! Stumble, trip, stumble, trip, stumble, trip. Back through the mud! Squelch, 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 squelch. swashy, swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy. Get to the front door. Open the door. Up the stairs. Quick, run up the stairs, everyone. Oh, oh no. We forgot to shut the front door. Quick, down the stairs. Down, 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 down. Shut the front door. And back up the stairs. Up, 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 up. Into the bedroom. Oh, into the bed. And under the covers. Shh. Into bed under the covers. We're not going on another bear hunt again. Whoa, we only just made it back. Bye bear. We didn't really get to play with the bear today, did we? We got a bit scared instead. Maybe he was a friendly bear. Who knows? And that's the end of the story. Oh, that was so much fun. Did you enjoy that one? Yeah, we did too. So, we need to go and get ready for our activity.
Oh, cool. What activity are we going to do?
Oh, we're going to do some positional language for doing some directional things. There's going to be lots of fun with this one. Before we do though, Jamie, we should sing a goodbye song.
Okay.
Are you ready? Now it's time
to say goodbye, say goodbye, say goodbye. Now it's time to say goodbye and see you all next time.
Bye!
Thanks for listening to our story.